Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this video, we will explore one of the most common mistakes that English learners make: incorrect word order in sentences. Understanding proper word order is essential for creating grammatically correct and clear English sentences. Let's begin our journey to mastering sentence structure. English follows a standard pattern for building sentences. The most important rule to remember is subject plus verb plus object. This means you first mention who is doing the action, then the action itself, and finally what or whom the action affects. For example, I eat rice. Here, I is the subject, eat is the verb, and rice is the object. This simple pattern forms the foundation of correct English sentences. The first common mistake is putting the subject and verb in the wrong order. Many beginners say eats he rice, but this is incorrect. The correct way is he eats rice. Remember, the subject must always come before the verb in standard English sentences. This rule applies to most sentences in everyday English. The second mistake involves where to place adjectives in a sentence. Adjectives describe nouns, but they must come before the noun, not after. For instance, saying she has a car red is wrong. The correct sentence is she has a red car. Always place the adjective between the article and the noun. This applies to colors, sizes, shapes, and other descriptive words. The third mistake concerns the placement of adverbs and negations. Saying he speaks English very well not is incorrect. The right way is he does not speak English very well. In English, negative words like not should come after the helping verb, not at the end of the sentence. This is a crucial difference from many other languages. The fourth mistake appears in question formation. Many learners ask where you are going, but this is grammatically incorrect. The correct question is where are you going? In questions, the helping verb must come before the subject. This inversion is essential for forming proper English questions. Always remember this pattern when asking questions. The fifth mistake involves the placement of time expressions in sentences. Students often say yesterday I to school went, which is completely wrong. The correct sentence is I went to school yesterday. Time expressions usually come at the beginning or end of the sentence, not in the middle. Place them after you have completed your main subject verb object statement. Now you understand the 5 most common word order mistakes in English. The key to avoiding these errors is to remember the basic pattern: subject plus verb plus object. This foundation will help you construct correct sentences in almost all situations. Practice using this pattern daily, and soon it will become second nature. Keep practicing, and your English sentence structure will improve dramatically.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.